All right. Hello, Digital Tech Summer C 2026, and welcome to week 9, module 9. This is the second to last week, and next week is a short week by one day. The last day of the summer term is July 18. That is a Saturday. So all the assignments in module 10 next week will be due on Saturday as opposed to Sunday. The only reason why they're due on Saturday is so that you have the full length of time to be able to complete the assignments. The last day of classes is July 18, which is the Saturday. The first thing I want to talk about for sure is the Google Analytics certification that is due at the last possible moment of the term. I've sent messages since the beginning. You've been able to do this at any time. And if you haven't done it yet, quite a few have completed it already. And if you haven't, that's okay. You definitely want to begin this process this week. The exam itself is a 75-minute timer. It's 50 multiple choice questions, and but the course that precedes it, which is technically optional, but the course itself, Google estimates to take about 5 hours. So you definitely want to spend some time practicing before you go to take the exam itself. You have 2 attempts at taking the exam. The first attempt, well, either way, you have to score an 80 in order to get the certificate. If you have used both of your attempts, there is a workaround, which is simply to create a new Gmail address. And once you've created a new Gmail address, you'd be able to take it a third or in a fourth time. But you don't want to be in that situation in the first place. You want to just pass it the first time, and therefore it's good to spend at least a couple hours reviewing the course that precedes the exam. There will be some terms in that course and exam that you'll recognize from topics that we've covered in the lecture videos and walkthrough videos throughout this term. But there will be other terms that are probably new, and therefore you want to be used in that course. You can access this in the week 10 module. It's right here. It's also this whole semester been up here at the top. So you have access to this, and reach out if you have any questions whatsoever. But definitely start early. It is essentially our final exam alternative, 5% of the semester grade. Okay, so reach out if you have any questions on that. Next thing's next. I mentioned last week and put a big header here to purchase the required text, the Co-Intelligence book. And this week on Sunday, July 12th, we have due our one and only quiz on that book. You don't actually have to read the full book in order to be able to do the quiz. You just have to do part 1, which I believe part 1 is somewhere around 4 chapters. So really not that much. I would, if you haven't ordered it yet, I would highly recommend at this point to probably just download it on Amazon Kindle, which you can access right on your laptop or on your phone. The 3 other assignments this week: Mighty Networks Entrepreneurs Challenge, Idea to Investment Pitch, Email Marketing Assignment. All of these are exactly as written or exactly as done in the assignment walkthrough, with the one asterisk on Mighty Networks. Nothing has changed to Mighty Networks other than the user interface. That is to say that it is a slightly different color scheme and a slightly different account creation process. But it works to the exact same. So I'll click and do it really quick. Watch the walkthrough video, and it's good to watch this overview video. But then I want you to notice update summer 2026. So basically the walkthrough video walks through the exact same thing that is shown in these images here. The only difference is that the images here include the new user interface. So if you get confused by like what you're seeing in the assignment walkthrough video, just know that it's like the same exact thing as what is happening here. It's just a matter of a different user interface, meaning it's very much the same exact user experience, meaning you go from this page, the login page, to the account creation page, to your dashboard, to creating a space, to creating a collection, to making a post. So it's the same experience. It's a different interface, meaning different colors and different button labels and so forth. Okay, so be sure to review these images, watch that video, and reach out if you have any questions. And the other ones are both very, very straightforward. You're just going to use ChatGPT or a Google, or a rather an AI of your choice to do the other 2 assignments. Okay. As always, reach out to if you have any questions. I'm here and happy to help. Let's have a great week. Wings up, go Eagles. Okay, bye.